is adding more tools for transparency around generative AI use in advertisements. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. The My Ad Center panel now has a section with how this ad was made information. It'll be accessible on ads globally on Google's Search, YouTube, and Discover properties. When Google's own extensive AI tools are used to create or edit an ad, the disclosure will be added automatically to the panel. If other tools are used, the My Ad Center will have a control for brands to note that generative AI was used. Although Google's language makes it sound like this is an opt-in action rather than a required one. In some regions, depending on local requirements, having the toggle on might mean a label about AI use appears on the ad. Being clear about when media has been manipulated is critical for advertisements, so that prospective buyers have an accurate picture of what they're buying. While announcing the addition, Google said in its blog post, "We want to help people better understand the ads they see while providing advertisers with straightforward tools to navigate evolving industry standards." And let's be real, while most of us find ads annoying, sometimes the products are so eye-catching that they grab our attention right away. And that's where the "how this ad was made" feature shines. If the ad is fooling you with AI, you'll know right away. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.